Okay, so you take your pizza crust, and what sauce did you put on there?
Pizza sauce.
Pizza sauce, and now what?
Now cheese.
Okay. What are you doing?
Spreading the pizza sauce.
Okay. And that looks delicious.
The cheese. And no, I forgot.
Oh yeah, that one.
I think it's a Mickey Mouse face of these.
Oh,
How much is the mouse?
okay. Now what?
Cheese.
Add cheese. Am I going to be able to do this at home by myself? Excuse me, sir.
What?
Are you going to cook or watch Sophia?
Cook.
Okay. So you add the cheese. Then what?
Then orange cheese.
Oh, orange cheese. What? Wow. Use all of the cheese.
Yeah. But there's still going to be more, but you don't need that.
Okay. All right. And now what?
Then we put them in the microwave.
In the microwave for how long?
For, I don't know.